I'm a lazy photographer and you are too. What if I told you that you could make an entire photo shoot with only one lens? Wouldn't that be cool? Hi there, I hope you are doing well. I'm not going to talk a lot in this video because I've noticed that this is not something that you guys are into. The RF 24-105mm lens, the one that does it all. But does it really? The only way to find out is to actually use it, and that's what I did a few weeks back with the CANON EOS R. If you haven't seen my review on this camera, please check it out. The link is in the description box below. The CANON EOS R is currently the only camera that accepts RF lenses, and I tried on multiple shoots to use only that lens, that 24-105, and I kind of failed. I've said it in my previous video, there are a few things that are missing for me with this lens, and the first thing is it's not fast enough. It has a maximum aperture of f4, and I do sometimes need to go beyond that. I need that extra light. Plus, you know that I love working with wide angle lenses, and I was missing from time to time the possibility of going beyond 24mm. Apart from that, it's a great overall lens. It feels solid, it has a little bit of weight, but not too much. When focusing, it's quiet, responsive, and not too slow. I've noticed a little bit of vignetting on some of my images at 24, a little bit of chromatic aberration here and there at f4. But yes, if you're using Lightroom and Photoshop, this is not something you cannot overcome. The overall sharpness is great, especially in the center. Buying this lens won't be a mistake. If you plan on buying the CANON EOS R with the RF 24-105, I believe it's a solid kit. A kit that will help you create all the images that you have in mind, almost. Yeah. So without further ado, here are the images that I personally made with that kit. Merci. Allez, t'es prête. Tu arrives à remonter un peu. Alors, voilà, super. Allez, on est parti. Presque la tête. Tes mains, bah, là. Recule un peu. Là. Last one. A little higher. Bring your towards me the legs. Yes. Yes. Whoa. Christmas is around the corner, yes! And if you want to stay up to date and know what I am currently working on, please join me on Instagram. Share, like, and subscribe. I know that's a lot, but if you do it, it would be amazing. Thanks again for being around this week, and you know what? There will be another video next Sunday. But until then, please have a good one.